What's going on, y'all? So listen. What's going on, y'all? Okay, first of all, this is the Real Housewives, season 13, episode 16, Hurricane Housewives. I know y'all was like, and I hate to put it on my community tab. I'm so sorry. This is a little bit late, and then y'all getting married to medicine tomorrow because I'm tired. All right. I gotta go take my second dose of the vaccine tomorrow, and when I come home, before anything crazy pop out, because I don't know how my body gonna react to the second dose, I'm gonna make sure I get married to medicine out there to y'all. What had happened was last night, yesterday, it hit 70 plus degrees outside in Chicago, okay? And y'all already know what that means, all right? That means niggas is gonna be out. That means my Mexican neighbors gonna be out partying, and that is exactly what it is. It was shootout going on last night. They were still out there going off, okay? I'm sitting here like it is one something in the morning, and the music, like they kept turning it up and up and up. And at one point, I looked out there, wasn't nobody out there. I said, "What the hell is this?" The music didn't go out till like two something, okay? Then today the music popped on like in the middle of the afternoon, and it did not go off until probably like I'll say a good 30 minutes ago. So that's why y'all got this video late. You know what I'm saying? And, I was looking at the verses. Okay. I didn't want this music to interfere with the video, whatever, and all that shit or whatever, and be distracted. So I was looking at the verses with the Isley Brothers and Earth, Wind, and Fire. Baby, before we get up into the video, before we get up into this review, if you did not see that, you missed a good ass time, okay? You missed a good ass time. First of all, Ron Isley came out there, bitch. We didn't even know that was Ron Isley with that goddamn great beard, baby. Okay, I said, oh, you giving all the granddaddy teas, okay? I said, what's going on, Mr. Ronald? Okay, is it Ronald or Mr. Biggs? You know what I'm saying? I didn't know which one you want to call him, okay? But it was a beautiful time. Steve Harvey ass, don't ever bring his ass on there to host anything else because he talks too damn much. They went on the break and they must have told his ass, and he must have saw the comments because he did kind of call us out that, we were saying that he was talking too much because it was straight music, straight through, okay? But it was a good ass time. If you did not see it, y'all missed something good. I'm pretty sure they probably somebody gonna rip it and upload it on YouTube. But if you get a chance to watch it, watch it. Okay, so let's get up into this review of and Ernie Isley. He was my MVP of the night because that man was playing. Y'all know I am a whore. Okay, I would say that myself. I'm a whore for a good ass guitar player. Okay, listen, I love me some music, and baby, that guitar just does something to me. Okay, and Ernie was playing the hell out of that shit. And at one point, at the end, he was showing off on the last song that they did, okay? Motherfucker started playing with his tongue, okay, and his teeth. I said, you better fucking do that. You better show them that y'all still got it going on, okay? And they were singing live, baby. Them vocals were still there. But anyway, let me get up into this review, okay? We've been here long enough. Sorry about the wait. I just had to get my excitement off. Whatever. I'm coming down from a little high. No, a natural high, girl. A natural high. Okay, fun music high. So we get up into the video, the episode. They still down there in New Orleans, and they talking about the news. We get a news report of the weather, that's going on. But let's just fast forward to where shit started getting good. Okay, Drew got something popping off. She got something playing. And we see the girls getting ready to go down there to go see what's going on. They're going to this kitchen, and it's a Big Frida. You already know, okay? Girl down. Y'all need to go look at Bonnie Blue, okay? Because I love her accent. That New Orleans accent, bitch, it's everything to me. So they doing that, and then you got Kenya trying to do the accent. I said, girl, nah, nice try. See, I didn't even try to do it because I knew I would have fucked it up. Cynthia tried to do the girl down. I mean, not the girl down, but you already know. I said, girl, no, you got to make it sing, okay? You already know. You got to make it sing. Put a little tune up in that bitch, okay? You know what I'm saying? Put some little personality in it. But anyway, so they in there finna make some do the little kid cooking and stuff like that. But when they was on the bus, I think it was Portia that was like, oh, girl, I was trying to figure out why I was tagged. Is it because of our conversation that we had when we was at the dance studio, me and you, Marlo? Or was it because of the dancing? Because I forget, girl. They trying to figure out why would a conversation wear your ass out and all that shit. Okay, so they get into that. I'm sitting here like, at this point, I'm over it. And I think we only got a couple more episodes left, and then we got the I don't know how many parts. I know it's going to be at least 2 parts to the reunion, but yeah, I think we got a couple more episodes left after this into this season. And at this point, they're dragging it. They're dragging it. It's like these non-existent issues, well, these little issues that they making real big. And this was a case in point. Why you had to bring up the whole argument? I mean, it happened. The conversation happened. You said it was over. It's done with. Let it go. Move on from that. Okay. Let's start off fresh. All right. Moving on from there, we get there to the with Big Frida, y'all cooking and everything, and everybody's having a nice time. Okay. So when they go out there to play, you know, Frida had them dancing. Frida had them cooking. I mean, you can't come to New Orleans and not bounce this, you know, ass everywhere, ass everywhere. You can't do none of that if you in the presence of Big Frida. So that was cute, and everybody participating had a good time. You know, Portia was going out there helping plate the you know, set up the table, whatever, putting the plates and stuff out there in a dining room where they was gonna be eating at. And, you know, Marlo gets into this conversation with Kenya about the conversation that she had with Portia, and how Portia feels basically that, you know, Kenya is manipulating her. Kenya is got her doing all this stuff, and she needs to take it slow with Kenya. Of course, Kenya is in her feelings over it. Truth be told, I'm not mad at Kenya for feeling some type of way, because if, you know, somebody that I claim that I don't give a fuck about is talking about me and, you know, saying this and saying that, I will feel some type of way too. Same way with Portia, but I feel like Portia is dragging it, okay? You just don't like the girl, so you don't want Marlo to be kicking it with her, but you're trying to disguise it as, oh, you can go ahead, and I'm not telling you who you need to be friends with, but that is what you're trying to say, okay, without saying it. You know what I'm saying? You disguising it without saying it. You know what I'm saying? And it's getting irritating. It's high school. It's immature as hell, you know, and you know, Marlo, she was telling her about the whole conversation when she asked her if it's true about Bolo. And they was just like, if it's true or not, it's her business or whatever. And then King was like, yeah, but you know, you ain't got to lie about it. And I heard it. I know what happened, and other people heard it. They tried to get Candy up involved in it. Candy is basically trying to stay neutral and be like, why are we still talking about this? And I'm on Candy's side with this. Why are we still talking about this? Let this shit go. If the girl did it, the girl did it. She ain't got to say it to y'all. Okay, truth be told. But then we get in there and we start the dinner, okay? Mind you, Drew had to let us know, oh my God, so like I got this set up with Big Frida because my cousin is actually real good friends with Big Frida. You know, she does her makeup all this time for many years or whatever, so I got the hookup and all that stuff. Okay, cool. You know, she was like, thank you, Big Frida, for all of this and putting this together for us, and, you know, coming together and having this meal and just doing this and welcoming us to New Orleans. I said, girl, shut the fuck up. Okay, please be quiet. I'm ready to get to what's going on. Maybe because my attention span is a little short tonight, because I'm ready to go down. Okay, I'm ready to go to bed. You know, but I was like, what's finna happen? I just knew some shit was finna happen because the clips been rolling down on Twitter, and I've been trying to avoid them. And baby, they say, Grace, Frida said, you know the food is good when everybody quiet. And they was kind of quiet for a little bit. And then here comes Marlo. Marlo interrupts the quiet with asking Big Frida something that's hypothetical, not necessarily hypothetical, the real situation that's going on between her and, you know, Kenya and Portia, whatever. And then asking her basically, without saying their names, what would you do in that situation? You know, and I'm just sitting here like, why are you involving Big Frida in y'all mess? Okay. Meanwhile, when they started going back and forth, I was Frida. Okay, bitch, I'm finna sit here and I'm finna just eat. Frida literally said, I would take myself out of it. And that's what they've been trying to tell Marlo. That whole conversation when she got mad and she gets up and she leaves, and even Shamia said, you know, this ain't got nothing to do with you. You know, why are you involving yourself in this, putting yourself in this whole situation? And even Candy said that in her confessional. Why are you putting yourself in this situation? You are bringing us stuff that does not have anything to do with you, okay? You know, Portia was like, it sounds like you talking about me, so let's just put it out there, okay? You know, you're not going to talk about me without talking about me. You're not saying nothing, okay? So what's good? We already had this conversation. Why are you bringing it up? You know what I'm saying? It was stupid. It was stupid. The going back and forth. You arguing in front of a guest. I said that's rude as shit right there. Marlo, you didn't have to do that, and you didn't get met with the response that you thought you was gonna get met with from Kenya nor Portia. Okay, Kenya wanted you to chill the fuck out too. Okay, like y'all just, and you talking about how you just got into this new friendship with her or whatever it is, acquaintanceship or whatever, and you just stirring the pot at this point. Take yourself out of it. You should have left the conversation when you had what you had with Portia. Let that been the end of it, okay? You didn't have to go back and tell Kenya anything else about it. You could have kept that to yourself and let it be over and done with and moved on. But no, you want to bring it up and then bring it up into Big Frida involved in. Like what? And then get mad and call them fake bitches. Girl, what are you mad for? Come on, stop it. So Marlo had left out. Mama went the wrong way, so she had to get her clutch and she had to come the fuck back, okay? And she kept on saying, and you fake bitches up in there still having goddamn conversations about me and all this shit, fucking being fake and shit about the whole situation. I'm sitting here like, girl, let it go. Let it go. You could tell when the season coming to a close because at this point, it's like they ain't got nothing else to talk about, all right? Why, like Candy said, why is South Carolina trip still being talked about? Okay, you know, Drew and I think Latoya and Portia, Candy, girl, Kenya and them, they went outside. Drew, I know Drew for sure, and Kenya went outside. Okay, whoever the other person was, I can't remember at this point. But, you know, Portia is basically, no, Drew was basically like, Portia just a little, she feels a little way, probably hurt because you feel like you're mostly taking Kenya's side on this whole situation and the whole relationship stuff, and it's childish at this point, okay? It's childish at this point. Who gives a fuck? All right. We have to, and it's getting very, very much overused with this normalize, saying normalize this, normalize that. But we have to normalize. I have to say it. Let us normalize letting people be adults and being able to pick who it is that they want to be friends with without somebody telling me I have to pick this person over that person or I have to choose this side over that side. Let people be cool with who they want to be cool with. Just because you got an issue with that person don't mean that I'm supposed to have an issue with that person. And learn how to be fucking neutral, okay? Marlo, you not being neutral because you are siding more so with, Kenya a little bit because you keep bringing up the situation. If you were being neutral, you wouldn't have brought the situation up at all, okay? And that's what Drew was trying to say too. And then when they come back, Kenya come back in there and she's telling them how she feels or whatever. And she said Portia name. Portia like, don't say my name, don't say my name. I'm like, girl, what? I was with Kenya at that point. I mean, I get it, but damn, like, can we calm this shit down? Y'all doing too fucking much for no reason. Don't say my name. Don't say my name. Girl, what you gonna do? You gonna get up and you gonna fight her? Nah, you ain't finna do that this time because you already got scandal on you right now. You ain't finna have another scandal on you again, huh? That's what you was trying to not to do, okay? Because you just changed, girl, And Kenya just kept on talking about how Marlo felt and what the conversation went down or whatever. And at the end of the day, this is what I don't understand because Kenya, once again, it's about Marlo, but Marlo, you put yourself in the middle of it. And then Kenya feels as though Portia brought Marlo into it or whatever, telling her stuff and all that shit. But at the end of the day, Kenya, you keep harping on this whole Bolo situation. If they fuck, they fuck. Okay, they did. And then Portia goes back and forth about this. Oh, I fucked this person. I did this person. I did that person. At the end of the goddamn day, y'all talking about how it affects the interpersonal relationships that's going on between each others and all this stuff. Why would somebody that none of y'all are really connected to affect y'all in any way? You didn't know Bolo before this shit. Y'all didn't have no personal relationship with Bolo. The way that y'all going off is like Bolo was one of the girls' men and Portia fucked that dude and betrayed her sister. That's what y'all going off like. And I'm like, it ain't even that fucking deep. She fucked somebody and she was single. He was single. They had sex. He just so happened to be a goddamn stripper. They had sex. So the fuck what? It's the same thing if she would have found a random person and had a one night stand with him. So the fuck what? I'm in the majority or in the minority that don't feel like that makes you a hoe, because some of y'all done had one night stands and some of y'all done, had sex with somebody that y'all probably be like, man, damn, I shouldn't have had done that, but hey, it's done. And it didn't affect anything else. You went about your goddamn day. So why are we judging this girl for what? For fucking what? Even though she lying about it, that's still her prerogative. Kenya, okay? She ain't got to tell you the truth on nothing because you're not her friend, for one. That's the main reason. Just like you ain't gotta have girl code with her because that's not your friend. She ain't gotta tell you shit because you're not her friend. So why you keep on harping on this? She fucked this dude. She fucked this dude. Just don't lie about it. She can say whatever it is she want to. Okay, just like you could say if you was in that situation, I wouldn't mind if you was being tight-lipped about it because that's your business and that's your body. If you did it, you did it. Who cares? Who fucking cares? Like Kendi said, how is this affecting anybody? It's not affecting you. It's not stopping you from living. It's not stopping you from breathing. It's not stopping you from working. What does her pussy and what it does, how does it affect you? And why do you keep harping on the fact that this girl had sex? I'm going to put it out there. She fucked that boy. If she didn't fuck him, he sure enough gave her head or something like that. He probably fingered the fuck out of her. Okay? I don't know what went down, but something went down. All right? Do I give a damn about it? Is it affecting us? No, it is not. So why do y'all care so much? Kenya, Marlo, Portia, let the shit go. Okay? And then, you know, Kenya was trying to come at her. Portia was giving her stuff, calmly coming at her version of calm. And she was like, because I'm not being the old Portia that would have snapped off on her and dragged her and all this stuff, it's sending her up the river and all this stuff or whatever, because I'm not giving her what she thought I was going to give her and all this stuff. And then at one point, Portia called her a bitch and she was like, don't call me no bitch. And Portia said, bitch, 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 bitch. I said, y'all acting like y'all really going to do something. So why even say don't call me no bitch, okay? Y'all know that ain't gonna fly, okay? Don't put it out there like you gonna come across the table and fuck her up because y'all not gonna do nothing. It was just idle, empty threats just going back and forth. And once again, why are we doing this? Why are we doing this? Y'all ain't got nothing else to talk about? Let it the fuck go. Why do you care so much what her pussy does? I just don't understand. Do you want to be inside that motherfucker? I am confused. Like, maybe Kenya and Portia just need to fuck it out. I don't know what it is. Like, at this point, let it go. So, Candy went over there to talk to Marlo because she feels like it's more stuff going on with Marlo than she's letting on, okay? And once again, Marlo, what it boils down with Marlo is her friendship is in jeopardy with Portia, and she feels as though Portia is lying to her, and she didn't say that Portia specific, but we know that that's who she's talking about, because, and the only reason why I'm gonna give her a little bit of leeway on this is because Marlo did say that she heard some stuff going on at the house with the stripper or something like that. She didn't know who it was, but she heard some stuff going on. So she knows somebody did something. And all the other girls then said that they didn't do it. Process of elimination leaves Portia. It was around that vicinity and all that stuff, whatever. Fine. Okay. But she just said she don't want to be friends with a liar. All right. And that's what it is. And my whole thing is this. You don't want to be friends with a liar. So you're literally going to put your friendship in jeopardy because this girl won't come out and say when blogs are attacking, when people in the whole group is attacking, mainly, and when I say attacking, mean accusing and coming at her about this Bolo situation, excuse me, and you're getting in your feelings about that, and you want to call her a liar about that, and that's what you're going to end your relationship over, your friendship over. That's stupid. Because at the end of the day, I know that a lot of y'all don't tell y'all friends every person that y'all sleep with. Whether they're married, whether they're a single person, whether y'all just dating, whether it's just a hookup, whether it's a one night stand type of thing, you just felt horny, you went out and you saw somebody and you said fuck it, whether you called the old thing up or whatever, I'm pretty sure you don't tell your friends and your people everybody that you sleep with. And that is something that you should be able to hold private to yourself about who you sexting all the time. Okay. You don't need to put all your business out there because it's your business and you need to have some private moments to yourself. And I feel like your sex life, unless you choose to say it, that's something that you should keep private to yourself, and you should be allowed to keep private to yourself, regardless of if somebody heard you getting it in with this person or whatever or whatever. You ain't got to say shit about it. Act like that shit ain't never fucking happened, even though we know it happened. And I ain't gonna mention it, and I'm not gonna judge you for it, because in this group, and I understand the reason why she don't want to say nothing, because in this group she get judged. Look at what you're doing. You're judging this single woman for having sex with this single man, okay? And for fucking what? And you're finna base that, talking about it's a lie, whatever. You're finna base that part on her friendship, on whether or not y'all stay friends or whatever. That's stupid, okay? Because that's what it seems like it's leading towards. And I hate the fact that their friendship is about to break up, or it's in jeopardy over this stupid thing. Like, Marlo, you don't tell her all the men that you slept with to get your where you got, when people were saying that you were sleeping with this person, that person, to get the financial placement where you're at. Okay. So who cares? Nobody cares about that. I don't care about that. If my friend was to fuck somebody in the house and they happen, I'd be like, I just hope you use a condom or something and do what you got to do. Just know that you're going to have to deal with the shit. It ain't going to affect my life. Okay. And that's what I'm not understanding. They are acting like this is literally going to change them and stop them from getting stuff done. And it's like it's really going to affect everything. I just don't understand it. It makes no sense. And, you know, it's she had to ask though, but she had to ask Candy, now have you known Portia to lie? And Candy said, I mean, when I was with her, yeah, she's known to say some lies. We all know that she's lying about saying this whole thing with Bolo. And it is what it is. Like, if she want to tell the truth on it, let her tell the truth. If she don't, who the fuck cares if she fucked this man or not? If she even says, yeah, what is that gonna do? It's gonna make you feel better. It's gonna make you feel better and be like, okay, I can be your friend again. What is it going to change? Like, I just don't understand. Explain it to me in the comment. Maybe I'm being naive and I'm missing something. Don't be disrespectful, because truth be told, I'm not team nobody. I'm tired of this. I'm not team nobody, okay? Because I can see all the sides. I can see why Kenya is upset, because if I was Kenya, I'd be pissed that, people still harping on this shit, but then I'd be pissed at myself for still focusing on this shit because I ain't got nothing else to do. Because that's what it seemed like with Kenya. You ain't got shit else to do, so you're deliberately harping on this shit for what? For what? What exactly is it doing for you? Okay? You need to be focusing on this whole shit that's going on between you and Mark. Okay? Marlo, focus on your nephews and shit like that. That's what you need to be focusing on. Portia, focus on your home life, okay, and your business. That's what you need to be focusing on. Everybody needs to just find something else to focus on. Drew goes over there to Cynthia to see what's up with her. Kind of find out Portia gone, okay? Portia then left out. Drew was trying to call Portia. She couldn't get a contact with her, so she called Shamia. And Shamia said, Drew, girl, she left. She left this morning on the flight, okay? And then, Latoya went over there to tell Kenya. Kenya was like, okay, I don't give a fuck. But then they was like, she ain't even buy Shamia no ticket to go with. I mean, maybe Shamia wanted to stay, okay? Maybe she offered, that's what I'm going to assume. Maybe she offered or whatever, but who said that Shamia had to leave with her, okay? That was Portia's decision, you know what I'm saying? Bitch, if I'm enjoying myself, I don't give a fuck. Maybe y'all might look at me and be like, that's not a good friend or whatever, but if I'm enjoying myself and my friends say, girl, you can stay or whatever, I'm going to fucking stay and enjoy my goddamn self. Depending on how bad the situation is, I might go, if I'm ready to get the fuck up out of there. But, that shit took Kenya out. Bitch, I was laughing too. I ain't even gonna lie, I was laughing too. But it is what it is. And Candy left as well, Kenya more upset about the fact that Candy left and didn't tell nobody. Y'all know Candy, that movie that she was talking about last week that she gonna be in, it's a Lifetime movie, okay? It's part of the Deadly Sins, the 7 Deadly Sins Lifetime movie. I know one is called Lust, and it got Tank and Carrie Hilson in it, and it's from T.D. Jakes, okay? Bishop T.D. Jakes. And the other one is called Envy, and it got, damn, what's old girl? Soraya or whatever that come from Empire. She played Hakeem, baby mama, girlfriend, singer, whatever. I forgot her name on there, but she gonna be in that one, and Candy gonna be on that one. It's called Envy. It comes on next week, actually, on Empire. I mean, on Lifetime. Just in case y'all wanted to know, I just want to put that out there for y'all. So, you got Cynthia and Kenya there in the room talking, and then Marlo comes out. That little outfit Marlo had on was cute with the mask or whatever. I ain't even gonna lie. So they in there sitting there talking about the whole situation, and I don't even care to repeat it, child. It really wasn't nothing. At the end of the day, Kenya said she don't care. They need to just let the stuff go, okay? Because you bringing us down into a rabbit hole with y'all or with you or whatever, talking about Portia. And truth be told, if none of y'all had leaked the shit to the blogs, it wouldn't have never been this big and nobody would be harping on it. We were the main person the main issue shouldn't be whether or not Portia fucked the stripper, because we know that. The bitch gonna lie about that, okay? And at this point, because all the negativity and shit that she getting from and people probably calling her hoes and all this stuff, and then, you got the family and whatever, and it's a negative connotation if you fuck around with a stripper, whatever. But, so therefore, that's probably why she also keeping that shit a secret too. But bitch, we know, okay? And at the end of the day, it ain't gonna affect you none, so it is what it is. My whole thing is we need to get on the case of who the fuck leaked the shit to the goddamn blogs. That's what we need to get on the case of. That's what should have been a goddamn story, because whoever leaked it to the blogs is the reason why y'all is in this mess at this point in time, okay? If it truly would have stayed between y'all and waited until we all found out by watching the show and not prior to the show coming on, maybe shit would probably go a little bit different. I'm pretty sure still to be a little tension in the air, but it probably wouldn't been this deep, because having it go to the blogs probably heightened the situation because more people are talking about it and all that stuff. But Kenya basically said, fuck it, she done with it, it is what it is. I said that's what it should have been in the first damn place. They like, bitch, at the end of the day, where the fuck the food at, okay? Where is the food at? So Kenya and Cynthia, they finna go down there and get the food. We got Drew and Shamia in a room talking, and right when Shamia was finna start saying some stuff, the power go out because they are in a hurricane at this point in time. And I'm sitting here like, see, bitch, this is what I don't do. Okay, I don't play games like that. Let me tell you something. We used to have in the sometime out here sometimes before they finally fixed the power lines and stuff like that. They did something insulated or whatever, something so when it gets because when it storms out here in Chicago, trust and believe, bitch, it storms, okay? And they fixed the power lines and put some stuff on it so that it won't knock the power out, because we went a couple of summers in a row where the power would literally go out, and the longest we've been without power, I was out without power was probably like 2.5 days, okay? That means waking up, going to work. Literally, if I didn't feel like going to work, I was looking forward to going to work so I can charge up my stuff, okay? Took my computers, took my phone, took everything and just charged that bitch up at work, okay? That's what I had to do, making sure keep the refrigerator closed. Keep the refrigerator closed so the food won't spoil and shit like that. I can't stand it. I'm sitting here like this a goddamn hotel. Where is the backup generator? Down in the south? Okay, y'all done went through shit like this before. No shade, no offense, but y'all ain't got no backup generator? I mean, they up there getting dressed in the dark, Drew lighting candles and shit. Kenya said, look, bitch, at one point, Cynthia was like, open up the door, we can't get in. I'm thinking like, oh shit, now what if it's magnetized and they need the power to open up the door? But fortunately, Marlo was able to open up the door and get them out, let them come in and all that stuff. But I was just like, this is a mess. And then Kenya, girl, she was like, with all this stuff going on, I think we had more fun on my trip than we did out here. Sorry, Drew. Nice try, but I won this one. Girl, it's a goddamn draw, okay? Because a natural disaster came through on this one. But truth be told, the best thing that did happen in South Carolina was the stripper thing. So maybe I'm gonna have to probably give it to King. Okay, let me shut the fuck up because I might just give it to King because that stripper shit, that bachelorette party was hot. It was pretty hot. Okay, but who y'all give it to, Drew or Kenya? I'm gonna give it to Kenya. I'm gonna give it to Kenya only because of the stripper shit. That's it. That's it. So, I guess because of the editing, we see that the girls made it out of New Orleans and they're back home. We got Drew and Ralph in the jacuzzi, and just talking about how this is what they like and all this stuff, and it's hard to please her because she wanted the water to be a little bit hotter, whatever. We got Kenya and her cousin Shay. They're looking at the results of the election, and then they found out that Michigan, went to the Democrats or whatever. So of course they're happy about that, because Kenya is from Detroit, you know. Then you got Portia coming over there to Cynthia's house so that they can celebrate the fact that, you know, uh, Atlanta turned red. I mean blue. Ooh, let me stop that. Okay, we don't want to put that up in the air no more. Okay, they turned Democrats and they just commiserating about that and being happy about that or whatever. And also, Portia's over there because Cynthia wants her to be a part of this project where she's using her platform to, I guess, highlight small black businesses during this time that are in need at this point. And so they was doing some little takes or whatever for Instagram and all that. And then they get into talking about what happened and how they haven't seen each other since New Orleans. And she was like, the old Portia would have just stayed there and, fought with all them girls. But, this new person, she on this spiritual journey and all this stuff. It's always, I'm on the spiritual journey. I'm always a new person. So let me get the fuck up out of there. Okay, girl, if that's what you want to put out there, that's what you're going to put out there. We'll take it for now. Okay. But it was right for her to move herself from that situation before it got heated and more worse than it did. Okay. And trying to understand what it is between her and Marlo. When she said at this point, me and Marlo she ain't that type of girl to her no more. Okay, she ain't her girl no more. She ain't that type of bitch that she want to be around. She said, I done seen how she treated other people that she's been friends with, and I still tried to be cool with her, but I done told you personal stuff, and you go out here and you're, putting stuff out there trying to make me look bad and trying to cause all this stuff and woo, 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 blah, blah, blah. Oh, but she probably in a lot of pain. Oh, the person that's always causing the pain is always in pain. I'm so tired of that. Girl, let it go. Okay, if you're not gonna be friends with the girl, don't be friends with the girl. It's sad that y'all had to go out this way. Okay, y'all letting this little childish shit go down like this. But sometimes we just gotta let shit go. Let it go. Candy calls. We saw her on the set the movie that she was gonna be doing. Oh, she's gonna be up in the shot too this season as well. So I'm looking forward to that again. I liked her character on that from last season. When Duda was fucking her over on that desk. Y'all know I will remember that. Anyway, fuck that. So she called him and basically invited him, told them, Blaze is opening her new show. It's not necessarily opening, she's having them over for a tasting. And so that's what they're going to end the night with. So the episode ends with Todd and Candy showing us Blaze, and I must say, it looks really nice. It look grown and sexy up in there. That black decor, I like it. Okay, Drew show up with Ralph. Drew, what the fuck pants you had on? Okay, wrong scene. Wrong scene, bitch. Wrong scene, okay? Maybe y'all like them. I ain't like them, okay? I ain't like them. But, that was that. Portia showed up saying that she was wearing all black on stuff except for the watch on her arm, but it's on the black arm, so that's good too. And, Cynthia was there. They go outside to the little fire pit or whatever, and then everybody else show up, and then Kenya comes there, and then Marlo comes right after her, and she was like, hey girls, hey this, hey P, hey that. And here go Portia. Why she acting like she just didn't call me a motherfucker up in New Orleans, like everything all to the good? Baby, her family is out there. Candy family is out there at this point in time, okay? So we gonna keep it calm, cool, and collected. We ain't gonna act the ass just yet in front of the family. She got her mama, she got her aunties and her cousins out there, and they older, okay? So yeah, we gonna put on a little fake shit or whatever. So calm that shit down. We ain't finna pop it off right now. Wait till they go inside before we pop that off. But that's basically all that happened. Y'all tell me how y'all feel about it. Once again, I apologize for this being late, and I will see you guys later tomorrow, or later on in the day because it's already Monday, for Married to Medicine. Peace. Y'all be easy.